But in terms of self-defense, how can they protect in any unsafe situation, and how can they handle that particular movement? You see, the bad part of these kind of situations is that the duration of total fight or total defensive or offensive format they have to adopt at time when they are unsafe is not even 10 seconds. So it's very difficult to come out with something which is very technical, or something which for them, if they want to learn martial arts in formal setup, they have to come and practice for years and years. But in that particular moment, they have to do something which is very handy, very easy, very effective, and then very easy to learn.
Yeah, I hit a guy. Actually, I was walking by my house to the studio, और एक लड़का आया suddenly मेरे सामने खड़ा हो गया. So I don't know what I have to do or anything else. I just slapped him and I was shocked at what I have done.
You know, the thing is, usually the things that happen are very minor incidents, so they happen very fast before you can even react. For some people, it's, you know, big things have happened, much scarier things, and I think those are the times that you really need self-defense and you need to be prepared, because otherwise it's just someone, you know, saying something or brushing past you and they're gone before you know it. But self-defense is important, because if you're ever stuck in a situation where you're alone and where something really terrible, you know, can happen, you need to learn what to do to get yourself out of that situation.